spring, and that means it's time for the first big powwow of the year. This one is hosted by First Nations University. It's just through those doors. I can't wait to show you, so let's get started. If you've never been to a powwow before, it's a celebration of culture, tradition, and community. You'll see dancing, drumming, storytelling, and so much pride. This is the Grand Entry, and it's incredible. Flags, veterans, elders, dancers of all ages, all inside the arena.
Our songs, our ceremonies, our territory and country, and our way of life.
But can we just talk for a minute about what everybody is wearing? But first, let's get the terms right. It's not called a costume or an outfit. Each dancer has regalia.
Not costumes, but handmade clothing filled with meaning, history, and family tradition. There are different dance styles, each with its own story. Some are for healing, some are for storytelling, and some are just dazzling with movement.
And one of the things I enjoyed the most was how much fun everyone was having. Meeting old friends, bumping into people they haven't seen in a long time, hugs, handshakes, smiles all around. So much love at a powwow.
Like families together, elders being honored, lots of laughter in the air. It's a gathering of generations. You can probably hear the drumming behind me. It's more than music. It's the heartbeat of the people.
At this powwow, there's a singing competition for the drum groups. And the competition is fierce. There's some pretty good money involved.
So this powwow here, First Nations University of Canada Powwow, it's the one that kind of starts off the Canada Trail. Powwows go on all year, but this is kind of one of those ones that kind of sets the tone for the rest of the year. And it's always a good one. It's always a good celebration here.
Examples of artistry are everywhere. And there are so many vendors with beautiful goods for sale. And ribbon skirts, the most beautiful, the most intricate ribbon skirts, everywhere. And all the supplies you need to make your own. And we had a chance to talk to one of them, a local entrepreneur who has started her own line of jewelry, and it is beautiful.
Hello, I'm Amy Ironstar. I'm from Carry the Kettle First Nation in Saskatchewan. So this is my brand, Ironstar Co. I just established it in 2022. I actually first learned from my grandma. She was known as a quilt maker, and she did moccasins and mutlocks. And so a few years ago, during COVID, I thought, I'll do some beading and try it again. And I love big earrings, so this is my inspiration. And then from here, it just kind of evolved to other items, such as medallions, the necklace pieces, I'm doing bolo ties like I'm wearing here. It's a full circle moment, learning the teachings as I was a child and then using them now in what I'm doing. So it's a passion of mine, it's a love, and that's where Iron Star comes from. It's my homage to my family. So these ones here, I designed them originally as heart-shaped petals, but they also represent a poppy as well. So it could be in the eye of the beholder. Well, these ones are my version of a lotus flower. So I just wanted to add different types of blues to bring it out. These ones have a little bit more meaning for me, just because, so part of my family, we're from Montana, because our tribe moved up to Saskatchewan. So out there, the strawberries are small, and that's what the inspiration is from. Versus something like these ones, the larger strawberries. So I live part-time in Winnipeg, Manitoba, and I live with the Anishinaabe and Ojibwe and Cree. So a lot of our strawberries, they're bigger. That's the inspiration.
I'm getting hungry. Let's go find something to eat.
It's time to get a snack, and I've chosen fry bread. I haven't had homemade fry bread in a really, really long time, and Saskatoon berries with whipped cream. Saskatoon berry, I'll show you in just a minute, is a local berry that grows in this area on the prairies. It's wonderful.
And what is snaggin' juice?
I'm changing my order. I'm getting a bannock ear as well with cinnamon and sugar. I think that'll be just perfect with the Saskatoon berries. Anyway, I'm too hungry and I've been standing in line too long.
21.
Okie dokie.
Always Aaron. Here are the two things, fry bread and bannock ear, and then I will come back with the Saskatoon berries.
Okay, put you away, safe and sound. I can find myself a place where I can eat you up.
Bannock is too big too. Oh my god.
Bannock is never too big. Oh, that looks really, really good. Oh, yum. I'm having a bannock ear and Saskatoon berries. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice to meet you.
Very
Thank you very much. This is called fry bread. Sometimes people call it grease bannock. It's my favorite thing. I love it when it's warm. I think that I don't have time to eat it right now, so I'm going to take this home, heat it up a little. It'll be my special treat. And I have another piece of fried bannock, and this one has cinnamon and sugar on it. Oh, look at, very generous, like so much cinnamon and sugar. And you see the texture inside the bread? It's really, really soft. It's really, and the extra thing that I have today is Saskatoon berries and whipped cream. It's really traditional to go out and pick Saskatoon berries here on the prairies in Canada. They're sort of a roundish berry with a little bit of an edge. And maybe I can find one in here that I can show you. But when you're a kid from Canada and you live on the Canadian prairies, then Saskatoons are really something that you love. These have just a little bit of sugar in them. They've been cooked really tender. There's lots of flavor and lots of whipped cream. Now to try that fried bannock. It's a really light, kind of yeasty kind of bread. I feel a little guilty eating this in front of you, but maybe when you hear about a powwow, one of the things that you can really look forward to is getting some fried bread for yourself. I'm going to finish this and I will get back to you. in a minute or two. For many Canadians, Indigenous culture is really something that they're still learning about. And so attending a powwow is really an invitation to listen, watch, and learn. If you ever get a chance to go to a powwow, I highly recommend it. In fact, go with open eyes and an open heart. And if you've ever been to a powwow before, be sure to leave me a note in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experience. Being here today at this powwow has really moved me. You know, there's joy, there's pride, and there's also healing. I love seeing so many kids and teens here, some in full regalia, others just learning. It shows how strong the culture is and how it's being passed on.
And there's something else that's continuing. There are many more adventures to come. And here are a couple of suggestions. Just click the link and I'll see you there.